Sometimes you just need a glance into a file instead of opening it. Quick Look lets you do that. Select a file, hit spacebar on your keyboard, and you see a very quick preview of that. Hit spacebar or the escape key again to close it. You can have a quick look into most of the document file formats this way. Here I have a video, an image, and a PDF document. You can also use Excel and Word for that, among others. So here I hit on spacebar, and I use the up and down arrow keys on the keyboard to go to the next file. This is an image, and this is a PDF with pages, and this is a folder. You can use the quick look feature outside of Finder as well. For instance, here's the desktop. I have some files on the desktop I want to take a quick look into. I click on that, I hit spacebar, and I have a preview. One of my favorite use cases for quick look is to delete a lot of screenshots that I take over time. For instance, here I have a few files. Okay, I'll need this, I'll need this. This is a duplicate, I deleted. I want to keep this one, and this is a duplicate, and so on. You get the idea. So let me know what use case you're using this for in the comments below.